How to send disappearing photos on Snapchat. So first is to open Snapchat. Take a snap. After taking a snap, you will see this timer icon located on the right part of your screen. So tap this icon and you can select the duration on how long the snap will appear. So you may choose from 1 up until 10 seconds, or you may also choose the no limit. Take note that when choosing no limit, snaps and stories can be saved by friends. So to set, just tap on the number, and once you're done, tap the timer icon found on the upper right corner. Now send this snap to your friends by tapping the next button found on the lower right corner. Once you're done selecting, you can now hit the send button. And so that is how you send disappearing photos on Snapchat. Thank you and have a great day.